Welcome to all of you. In today's lecture, we are going to study the in detail the crystal structures and the normal classes of the crystal structures. So already we have started topic 1, crystallography. So in this lecture, let us see the crystal systems and their normal classes. So in all, you have to study 6 crystal systems, and with respect to each and every crystal system, you have to study the different classes. First, cubic system. The number of crystal classes 5. Name of normal class along with symmetry elements. Here plane of symmetry 9. Axis of symmetry 6 second, 4 third, 3 4, in all 13, and center of symmetry present. Likewise, in tetragonal system, classes 7. For example, zircon type, these are the axis of symmetry and it is present. In hexagonal system, the classes 12, beryl type, it is present. In orthorhombic system, 3 classes, barytes type and present system. In monoclinic system, 3 classes, gypsum type, the axis of symmetry only 1 and it is present. And triclinic system, 2 classes, axenite type, no any axis of symmetry, it is present. Now, we have to study the Bravais lattices corresponding to different crystal systems. For example, first system, cubic system, in all 3 Bravais lattices, and the description of these 3 Bravais lattices are simple, face-centered and body-centered. SC, FC and BCC. In tetragonal crystal structure, 2 Bravais lattices, one is simple and second is body-centered. In orthorhombic or rhombic, 4 Bravais lattices, simple, face-centered, end-centered and body-centered. In monoclinic, 2 Bravais lattices, simple and end-centered. In triclinic, in trigonal, rhombohedral and hexagonal, the only one lattice system and it is the simple. Now, we have to study the Bravais lattices. Already we have studied, yes, this one is the hexagonal, it is also the simple. Now, let's see first the cubic. Just now I told you that for cubic crystal structure there are 3 Bravais lattices. One is simple cubic, second is face-centered cubic and third is body-centered cubic. So in primitive cell, only 8 atoms at the 8 corners of the cell. In body-centered cubic, there is a 1 central atom at the body of the cubic, and face-centered there is a 1 atom at the every face of the simple cubic. Then second one is tetragonal. For tetragonal, 2 types of Bravais lattices. One is simple cubic, it is also called as primitive, and second is body-centered cubic. So here in in tetragonal, A equal to B but not equal to C, but all the axis angles alpha, beta, gamma are 90 degree, so it is shown here. Then third crystal structure is orthorhombic. In orthorhombic, 4 lattice systems are there. Primitive, simple cubic, body-centered BCC, face-centered FCC, and last one is the base-centered. So here, now all the lanes are unequal but angles are equal. So these are the Bravais lattices of the orthorhombic. Next crystal structure, hexagonal. In hexagonal crystal structure, we know A equal to B but not equal to C, and 2 angles are 90 degree while the last one angle is the 120 degree. Now, in monoclinic, this only 2 Bravais lattices, primitive and base-centered, and one of the 3 angles is not equal to 90 degree and the 2 angles and all the edges are unequal. This is the orthorhombic structure. Now, trigonal or another name triclinic. So in trigonal or triclinic, here the 3 edges of equal lengths and 3 equal angles but not equal to 90 degree, other than 90 degree. So here all edges and all angles are unequal. Now this table indicates the summary of the crystal system. In first cubic, unit cell dimension and angles A equal to B equal to C, alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree, and the Bravais lattices are primitive simple cubic SC, a face centered FCC, body centered BCC. In orthorhombic, unequal lengths but equal angles, and 4 types of Bravais lattices SC, FCC, BCC and base centered. In tetragonal, 2 lengths are equal and 1 is unequal but 3 angles are equal. 2 types of Bravais lattices primitive and body centered. Then in monoclinic, all lengths are unequal, 2 angles are equal, third angle is unequal. 2 types of Bravais lattices primitive and base centered. In rhombohedral, the 3 lengths are equal but 3 angles are unequal, equal but not equal to 90 degree. Only one type of primitive cell, it is simple cubic primitive type. In trigonal, the triclinic structure, 3 lengths are unequal, 3 angles are unequal and not equal to 90 degree. It has a primitive Bravais lattices. And last one is hexagonal. 2 lengths are equal, third length is unequal, 2 angles are equal to 90 degree and 1 angle is of 120 degree. So this has a primitive Bravais lattices. So this is the summary of the crystal systems with their Bravais lattice. Then in the next lecture we will see the next part.
फिनिश रेकॉर्डिंग म्हटलं की
ते जात नसतं का?
नाही जाणार म्हटलं